Good morning, one and all. My name is Dr. B. Srinivaslu, Department of Mechanical Engineer. Today we are going to discuss about the classification of engineering material and their properties. When I am speaking about the classification of engineering material, it contains of a four thing, that is a metals, ceramics, polymer, and composites here and advanced materials here. These are the classification of materials. Now after the classification of material, we are going to discuss about the what is the properties of materials, of a properties of engineering material, means same thing of a metals, polymer, ceramics, composites here. So here now starts our, if I speaks about the, see here, the classification of engineering materials here is metals, ceramics, polymers, composites, advanced materials here. So here, according to our classifications here, now first we will discuss what is actually the metals. If I speaks about the metals, so we are all are familiar with the metals here. So what actually the metals is take place means here metals is, we can say, that is contents of a ferrous and non-ferrous here, and metals we know that is a ferrous and non-ferrous also, and here the ceramics, polymers, it contains in a non-metals here, and the composite, that is a mixing of a two or more metals here, means here the metals which contains of a ferrous and the non-ferrous here, the ceramics and the polymers comes in a non-metals here, and the composites and the advanced materials is comes in our as a mixing of a two or more metals, that is the comes in this one. Now example, now we start with our metals. What is actually the meaning of the metals here? We are very familiar with that the metals are metallic elements on periodic table, metal alloys, mixture of two or more elements. Alloys, I said already that alloys means here mixing of a two or more alloys, metals here. Ferrous metals contain iron, non-ferrous do not contain iron here. Means here iron is not a main constituent, we can also say that one. If I speaks of a what is actually the mean of metals, so we are very first thing before going to this one, what is actually the mean of metal here? Is mostly very hard, heavy, and we can also say that is a ductile of material and very good conductor of a heat and electricity. That is a metal. We know that one is a very good conductor of heat and electricity, and also alloys. If I speaks about the metals of alloys, that is a, we can also say that is a by mixing or by melting two or more metals in order to improve the properties of the material. Just now I said, if I am taking of a only iron which is a 1 kg, which is a application is a taken place here, if alloys is taken place here, okay, what happened mixture of it, but the same strength, but the weight get reduces here. That is the metal alloys. Okay, same strength. Okay, these are the things. So now we speak about the metals. What are the metals? If a metallic of an element, if I says, means it may be a, has a iron, it may be a steel, or it may be aluminum, or it may be a copper, it may be a gold, or it may be a silver, it may be a nickel. That is a metallic element here. If I speaks about the what is actually the mean of metal alloys, if I am saying about the metal alloys, mixture of a two or more elements, means we can say that is a the brass, which is a mixture of a copper and the tin. Ferrous of a metals, if I say of a what are the ferrous of a metals, means here the ferrous of a metal means iron has a main constituent, and here ferrous having a different type, that is a which can be more classified as a what we call as a cast iron, wrought iron, or it may be a steel. This comes in a ferrous, means which is a ferrous is a main content of a iron here, and it may be having a, we can also say that is a gray cast iron, white cast iron, it may be a malleable cast iron, or it may be ductile cast iron. That is the comes in. And the steel, if I say that is also a main steel content of a main of iron here. So here is the low carbon steel, high medium carbon steel, high carbon steel, and alloy carbon steel. So here is that is a main of a main content of a ferrous metals is a iron here. If I am speaking about the non-ferrous, means here iron is not a main constituent. Iron is not a main constituent. That is a non-ferrous here. What are the non-ferrous of a materials are here? Example we can say that is a aluminium, copper, zinc, lead, tin, etc. These are the non-ferrous of a material. Aluminium, it may be a copper, or it may be a zinc, lead, or tin, or it may be a gold. That is the non-ferrous of a materials here. Now, if I speak of a non-metals, just of a ceramics, is a ceramic, we know that one it is a do not contain a metal in their composition. Means here there does not contain of a content of a metal in their composition, and they are less ductile here. We can say that is a brittle material, we can also say. And here the poor conductor of a heat and the electricity. They are a very poor conductor of a heat and the electricity. That is the ceramics. Okay, this can we can say that one. If I say of a oxide, silicon oxide, glass, silicon oxide in a glass, means here 90% of we are using here in our household of a glass is a silicon oxide. Means 70% of a glass we are using of a silicon oxide, that one. If I am speaking about the nitrate, means especially for the bearing purpose. What is actually the bearing? What they will be having affected with the means here due to the rubbing action we are using of a silicon nitrate of a bearings. So for a rubbing action to reduce that one. So that is a here nitrate. If I am speaking about the carbide, means here silicon carbide of a means grinding wheel. You know that the grinding wheels are bonded apart together are there. So here are a grinding wheels, which is nothing but abrasive particles we are seeing. And the grinding of a wheel of a discs means there are grinding means of a grinding wheels are means of a grains are bonded together. That is a silicon of a carbide here. Especially this is a chemical bonded together, we can also say here. That is a ceramic that much of a beauty that even for the we can with the help of this grinding of a disc of a this of a silicon of a carbide of a grinding, we can also cut our granite, which is a floor, which is a or even it with a which is very hard material, and we can also nothing but we can cut into a two pieces. And we know that is with the help of this serum of a silicon of a carbide grinding of a disc, we can also sharpen of our knife. Means here we can of a tool of a sharpening can be taken place here with this of a carbides. That is the beauty of this ceramics. Now coming to the polymer. If I speaks about the polymer is a simple example, that is the plastics. If plastic, what is actually this plastics here means it may be a hydrocarbon, means a combination of a hydrogen and the carbons here, and the thermoplastic we can use of a high density of a polyethylene of a low density of a polyethylene, means especially the thermoplastics are we are going for the uh, we are going for the plastic bottles. Example, we are going for the thermoplastic, we are going for the plastic bottles. Okay, means which we can reuse that one. That is the thermoplastics here. Thermostatic plastic is also act as a plastic, but what happened? There is a chemicals bonded are they take place here. So means here due to this one here, we cannot reuse that plastics here. Example, our switchboards. We can't even with our cables, electrical cables. We can also say that one means, but not oxidizing of a here within the metals. That is okay. Low electric conductivity can also we can say here. That is a polymers. Now coming to the composites means here the combination of a two or more materials, means we are combining of a two or more materials here. Means example, the best example is a reinforcement. The best examples of a reinforcement of a composite, that is a steel we can say. Okay, that is a composite can material can be taken from, means having a very good strength, high strength, and the combined properties we can also say. Mean here we can use of a high strength of a material we can use. That is a steel we can say. That is a composite. Mixing of a two or more material, that is a composites here. Combine of a properties of a two metals. That is the classification. Now coming to the what is the properties of the materials here. Okay, means metal, ceramic, polymer, composite, and advanced. Here we are going for the metal means properties of that one. Means here see here in general properties of engineering material means general properties of the metals here. Means here having a high stiffness, means here what happened low elasticity when a load is taken place of a stress and the strain. What happened here means here low elasticity can be taken place, means only tensile is load is a high stiffness, means high strength can be taken, high strength is there, and high malleability, ductility, high density is there. Along with that one, good heat conductivity, good electrical conductivity, and high magnetic of a permeability. This is all with the ferrous and the with the ferrous of a materials here, especially, and the non-ferrous of a materials here. That is a good of a heat conductivity and a good of electrical conductivity and magnetic of a permeability. This comes with the here along with the called as a due to the ferrous metals and the metal alloys. Due to that one, we will get of a good conductivity and a good electrical conductivity and magnetic permeability will come here. Due to that one of a metal alloys and the ferrous metals here. These are the properties of a metals. Now come to the what is the properties of the ceramic. The same thing of a ceramic also here. See here low elasticity. Here also the low elasticity and high stiffness. This ceramics and the metals are the same of a low elasticity and a high stiffness and high strength and a high hardness take place here. But instead of a ductile material, we are using of a brittle material here and a high melting point here. Take of a for melting it is required of a more here and a low heat conductivity of an insulator. We are saying that is in a spark plug we are using of a insulator, that one. Okay, we are saying of a insulator here, especially for the automobile